So we've got the Three Amigos again, and we're working through some stuff here. One of the things we're going to do is change the brake pedal switch and see where that takes us in terms of getting the ABS circuit fixed up. The ABS circuit is connected to many things and is super fun to try and diagnose. There's the brake pedal that goes up to the top there behind this plate. I'm going to take this plate off, and the way you take this plate off is you've got to get these little clips off, which you basically have to get a little pry tool under, and then you can kind of pry them out a bit. I've been using a pair of these electrical cutter tools because they're narrow and fit underneath easily, and you just kind of pry it, be gentle so you don't break it, and then they come out, and then you put them somewhere so you're not going to lose them. And then this thing comes down. You can just have to feather it around the corner there, and then it pulls out. And then, magically, you have access to your brake pedal switch, which is right up there. And to take it out, you spin it, and then it pops out. And then to get it fully out, you focus, you press down on the clip, and then it pops out. Doing this one-handed is always much more fun. But basically you push down this tab and pull it out. See that tab there? Press down. I can't do one end. I'm too weak. I'm gonna have to go like this for a second. And then it's out. And we're gonna put a different one in.
Changing out the brake pedal switch did not fix our Three Amigo problem. We're going to have to diagnose that more, but now you know how to change that switch. Good luck, everyone.